What is happening? What is going on, guys? It is another day, another beautiful day here in Christchurch, New Zealand. So, a cool, crazy update. This thing behind me is the van that we're gonna be traveling for the next 5 months in. We're going North Island, South Island, Left Island, Right Island. Dude, we are going, we are going everywhere. Sorry, I'm just super excited because we've been working really hard. I did stuff. Hey.
I made it look pretty.
Yeah. Basically today's video is showing you the van. But right now we're in a parking lot, so we should probably go somewhere a little bit more decent. Let's do it. And we're back, and guess what? That's pretty decent, right? Just look at that. Sun's going down too, so it's gonna get even better. So now that we have the view, we're gonna do the van tour, and I'll just be straight up with you guys. It wasn't all my doing. There was also someone else. I won't name any names, but she's really amazing, and she did a lot of, just the little details. So let me give you just kind of an overview of the van. So we're gonna go way out here. It's a 1998 Toyota Hiace. From the side view, and then the back view is my favorite. Look at that. Plenty of space. That is so cool. So cool.
It's our house.
So cool. So cool. Okay, we're going inside. Nina did this. We're gonna like separate things by person, okay? So Nina did curtains and
cushions and all the curtains, and then you reglazed everything.
Yeah, all the woodwork was already put in, but I did all the glazing like just to keep it protected. I found the picture.
That was our inspiration for the entire thing.
Everything's kind of like gray, white. We wanted to use all these colors in here.
And we found just like all of these random things at secondhand stores, and then we put this up together. You were the driller and I was the holder. Yeah, the majority of this stuff was actually op shop. Like we got stuff secondhand. Like op shops mean secondhand stores.
Oh
Thrift
yeah,
shops.
right.
Thrift shops. Our American friends.
Yeah, but wait, where's op shops from? Do they say that here?
They just say that here, right?
I thought.
I just brought it from.
You just said it.
I brought it from Australia, and I just kind of was like, it's probably the same thing. And every time I Google op shop, all of the secondhand stores pop up. So
New Zealand, it's called an op shop. Okay, so I put in this wasn't here. I put in this backboard, and then also we did extra storage up here.
Confirmed op shops.
Oh, it is op shop?
Confirmed.
Okay.
Google said, so that means true.
New Zealand op shop, get it. Go to it, buy secondhand, and reuse it. Nina put in the closet. You can tell she's wanted it to be discreet and blend in.
Garrett gets a whole 2 shelves and I get the rest.
Yeah, I do not have any clothes, that's for sure. This is kind of the main reason why we really love this van. It's a long wheelbase and a high top, so that gives us plenty of room for all sorts of fun stuff. Video editing.
We're gonna be working at this table and then occasionally eating.
Yeah, right, so.
And then you can't really make it longer and higher. You have to buy one that's longer and higher.
Yeah.
So those were kind of we got good bones and then we just made it better.
Yeah, exactly. And we put up the fairy lights. We have like rope light, and I'll show you guys a little bit later. Yeah, we'll show you at night. It's so sick. All
the storage is all along the benches, and we can show them later whenever we make the bed.
All the storage is under here. We're driving the Wanaka, and we're gonna buy a solar panel. So we'll have solar here in a couple days.
Just give it a little pump.
And then I guess, this is just how it's gonna go. Yeah, that's how we get water for charging our laptops, and we're actually gonna get a Wi-Fi router in here. I know, that's just life. That's just what we have to do. And so we're gonna have a nice Wi-Fi router up here. We got the inverter there, we got the power bar there. There's also another thing we still need to do. We have a few things that we still need to put up. Our van theme is kind of like nature, outdoors, sky. The name, we're kind of like in the middle of naming it. Some names have come up that have kind of stuck, but we were at the op shop and there's, this little bird action there's like a little bird there, and we're like, yeah, let's call it Birdie. So right now,
well, the sky colors and birds.
Yeah, right? And then we got,
I don't know how it happened.
we picked up clouds and stuff.
I mean, these items just came to us, man.
Yeah, exactly. It
Birdie
just
came to us.
This is gonna be really interesting. We've never lived in a van, and we've traveled a lot though. We've done a lot of travel, but never like this. All right, I'm gonna show you guys how like the bed and all the lights and cool stuff like that, but we actually we're gonna like enjoy a little sunset sesh first, and then we'll do that. And also kind of figure out where we're gonna stay, so. Hilltop Tavern. Oh, this is it. All right, guys, we just got to the kind of campsite. It's not really a campsite. It's more of just like a, I guess like just a little parking lot thing going on here. It's almost night, or the sun's going down right now. Boom.
That's pretty cool.
How cool is that? I feel like it's gonna be so cool for like a week, and then it's gonna be like, oh yeah, living in a van. What do you think, babe? Nah, it's gonna be fine. This is easy. I mean, this is like luxury.
We're gonna be outside and having fun a lot of the time. Anyway.
Yeah. First challenge, making food.
What you making me, babe?
I'm crafting up some baby food.
Oh.
Oh yeah. That's how you know it's good. All right, guys, that's it for tonight. I hope you enjoyed the tour of the van. Remember, love yourself to love others, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Just like I'm I feel dejected, rejected, sit on my stoop slowly. And it's better than my jet with the white socks. I'm steady slaving for days, just give me one shot.